got something on my mind, homie. Hey, Jerome. What's happening? What's up? I thought I was coming to see y'all, huh?
Yeah, it's Jerome music.
Let's go. You ain't got enough money. You ain't got enough money. Jerome, let's go and do this thing, man. Yeah. You ready? Hey,
what you got, $1 in your pocket? A 20 in your wallet? See me, I'm stacking money. Matter of fact, I let you watch it. Get big, get big, get big, get big. You ain't got enough money. You ain't got enough money. Get big, get big, get big, get big. 150, I don't exaggerate. This a game for ballers, only ballers can participate. All these new frontin' throwing money like they paper loan. Irwindale dummies throwing money, now they paper gone. Idiot, what are you? Coach, we need a W. In this new game, so I think it's time to substitute. Them ain't really diamonds in your ear, somebody hustled you. Taking all your revenue, boy, you don't know what to do. I say you